Hello, hello, crafty friends, and today we're going to make a handmade card. It's going to be an any occasion one. I was planning on making a mom one, but I don't know why I didn't make a mom one. Mother's Day is coming up. So what you're going to need is your base of your card, so any kind of cardstock. I cut mine down to 4 inches by 5.5. Your choice of scrapbooking paper, a 2-inch circle punch or anything that is circular. What else are you going to need? Some thread, and of course your adhesive of choice, and then your lovely hands to put it together. You're also going to need some thickers. You need some thickers in your life, okay? So get some. So here I am just going to adhere this cardstock. I am using the pink as the background for my card. I'm going to use the polka dot one later, and you'll see where I'm going to use it. The paper pack that I chose is called Sky High. I don't even know. It's by Simple Stories. The pink paper is by Simple Stories. I just bought it. High Style. That's what it's called. Jeez, Ara. You just looked at the pack. The polka dot is from the Pink Paisley Memorandum collection. I'm almost positive because I love that paper and I'm running out. I really love this adhesive. This is from Joann's, although I struggled to remove it, as you can see. Oh my god, I just take it off. It's really good quality. It's great quality. I can honestly say, and I'm going to say it, it is better than Score Pal, and it's only $1.99. $1.99. I don't think you can use a coupon. Or maybe my location just doesn't let me use a coupon. This is the reason why I don't like to put down paper on camera. Because look, oh my god, Ada, you messed it up. See, I wanted it to be white showing all over, like all 4 sides, and it came out wonky, and I was not going to pull it out because, or pull it off because it would have tore down. So all I did was cut down on each side just a little to remove the white, and bada bing bada boom, it looks pretty again. For the polka dotted piece, I want it to be on the top there, so I'm just going to cut off just a little, like a, I guess, triangle shape, so I can add it to the tip of the card on the left side there. I think if you have a sewing machine and you sew the paper, that would look even cuter. But I don't own a sewing machine. And not only do I not own a sewing machine, I don't know how to use a sewing machine. I used to own a sewing machine, a little tiny one, and I got rid of it because I don't think it was meant for paper, or I just gave up. I just gave up on that sewing machine, so I gave it a kick to the curb. No, really, guys, I really literally gave it a kick to the curb. I put it outside on my curb, and someone picked it up. I got the inspiration to add this corner piece to the card by another paper crafter. Her name is Flora. I don't know what her full name is, but she's a designer for, she's part of the design team for crepe paper, I believe. She's really, really good. And that was my inspiration to add this piece. She adds multiple pieces, and they look so flawlessly, and they look so elegant and gorgeous. So, yeah, that's what I was trying to aim here. I wanted it to look gorgeous and elegant like her cards. Did I succeed? Probably not, but that's alright. Maybe next time. Now to the middle card, I'm going to add this little ephemera piece. It says, all things grow with love. They sure do, honey. They all grow with love and water. If you don't have that die cut piece, it's from the Maggie Holmes collection. I don't recall which one. You can get yourself a 2-inch circle punch piece of cardstock and add it to the middle. A yellow one I think would look good. Even a black piece would look good. Perhaps a gray piece would look good. I'm just bouncing off ideas here of what colors will look good with this scheme here. If you're using this paper, or if not, or purple too, like a lavenderish, that would look good too. It would look really, really fancy. Okay, so I added this piece of ephemera to the middle of the card there. We're keeping it as simple as possible. I don't want to overwhelm you with a bunch of layers. And of course, you're going to add your thread. So you get your thread and crunch it up in your hand. You know, you want to make it look like a hot mess. A hot spaghetti mess. I don't know. Is spaghetti messy? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. If you have a toddler, too. So then you're going to add your thread to the top of these 2-inch circle, whatever circle thing you're using. For instance, I'm using the little ephemera piece. I'm going to cover that up. I know that's just a waste. I know, but I really like the little, I just like the little wreath, that what it's called. on the background. That's mainly why I chose this piece. I top it off with this girl. The illustrator's name is Caroline. So if you want to Google that, she should pop up and you can easily cut her out, either fuzzy cutter or if you have a cutting machine, cut her out that way. I'm also going to add a little leaf to the back of her and the word that says heart. I know that this heart piece is from one of the digital collections by Maggie Holmes. I just don't remember which one at the moment, but when I remember, I will link it below. Well, excuse me, I'm not going to link it below. I'll write it below and tell you where or which one it is. Yeah. Now you're probably wondering, why did you say we needed thicker? Well, like I mentioned before, I originally was planning on making a Mom's Day card. I was going to write mom across where the heart is, and I saw the heart on my desk and the inner, I don't know, the inner slob in me, I'm not a slob, but I don't know, I grabbed the heart piece and put it on top instead. So now I couldn't add the word mom. I tried to add heart you with the alphas, but it didn't look right. So I just ended up adding the little heart glitter thing. That's from the Valentine's Day collection from Walmart this year. So that completes the easy, simple, but cute handmade card. It could be any occasion. I think it can still be a Mother's Day card too. Well, that completes the handmade, easy, simple, beautiful cover girl. I don't know why I said that. Handmade card tutorial. I hope that this was easy for you to follow. And if you do create one, please show it to me. I want to see it. Really, I really do want to see it. Until next time, bye-bye.